up, guys? Alright, might be a little windy. Just bear with me in Mother Nature. So, if you're one of these people who you're not moving loads, but you're making your sales calls, you're making your follow-ups, you're doing everything right, at least that's what you feel like. You're taking the necessary actions, but you're still either not where you want to be, not moving the loads or the amount of loads that you feel like you should be doing, and you're just not feeling like you're at a place where you think you're supposed to be by now. I definitely was there at one point too, and you know what? All you have to do is keep on doing exactly what you're doing. Be consistent, keep showing up, and guess what? The market eventually will respond. I promise you that. Because if it was easy, if it was a quick deal, everybody would be doing it, and nobody would be making money being a broker. So have enough patience for yourself and your business. Keep showing up. The market will respond in the most random, unexpected ways that you didn't even see coming. Because it's all a test to see if you're gonna stick with it. But when it comes, it's going to rain dollar bills, loads, however you want to see it, rain success. So I'm Alex Castido. Please keep going with it. Please subscribe. See you guys on the next video.